Welcome back to Kingston Reviews. Derek here. Recently did a video on our 2005 SL500. We changed out the alternator on it and did some minor repairs getting that vehicle ready for my son to take to college. Unfortunately, about 2 weeks ago, we actually had a small accident with the vehicle hitting the rear driver's side tire and caused some damage to that. I took it to a shop that was down there in Hlton Head, South Carolina, and I just didn't like the numbers they were throwing at me. This vehicle is, like I said, a 2005. It's only got 58,000 miles on it. It is in really good condition. There's no tears in the leather, no tears on the dash. It's actually been treated very well. I actually bought it from a friend of mine that basically bought it from someone else that kept it in a garage just at the beach. And so it really hadn't a whole lot of miles or damage to the vehicle. And they were basically giving me an estimate that was pretty close to the overall value of the vehicle. And I felt more comfortable bringing the vehicle back home. So I actually drove down with my pickup truck, rented a trailer from U-Haul, and then towed it back home. This video is going to kind of show you a little bit of that. I'm going to do a follow-up video when everything's done on what all the repairs were, the total cost. And I definitely feel like this is why it's important for everyone to kind of know a little bit about how to repair, what to look at whenever you're fixing a car. If you guys like content like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. But thank you for joining us, and let's get into the video.
So I wanted to show you guys what the car looked like before, and what my son told me is that he hit a curb, and I was expecting the damage to look a little bit different, maybe a scratched rim or something like that. But as you guys are about to see, it looked totally different from what he told me it had happened. So here we go.
Yep.
Oh my God!
Banged up. Damn, son has his seat back so far. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get it on that trailer, guys. That is not a very good sound. My wife helping me with the video. This car has only 58,000 miles on it. Alright, let's see if we can get on the trailer, guys.
It's tight.
That's what she said.
I would push slow. What'd you say? Slow. 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 to get out and look. You're way this side.
All right, so drove down to Bluffton from Kernersville, North Carolina today to pick up my son's SL 500. Think you guys can see what the problem is. Not 100% sure. Can you tell on camera? So essentially slid this car into a curb. So we're gonna take this thing home, get some work done on it, and hopefully get it back to him in the next month or two. Don't know how much more damage was done to it, but that's what I got so far. Cool. All right, so that is what the damage is. It's actually the support right there. To give you an idea, that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay. That side looks perfectly fine. And you look over on this side, and that's definitely right there. Is definitely bent. You see it? So he hit that just right to bend that. Not sure about this one here, but definitely that one is bent. I don't see anything else.
Just remember, it's not gonna.
Thank you guys for tuning in and staying to the end of the video. I first wanted to say that my son is really upset about this accident. He's normally a really good driver, has been extremely responsible, and actually plays college baseball for the University of South Carolina, and I'm really proud of how he's been handling himself. I really did not get upset about this because it was something that I don't think he was being reckless. It was just a situation where he was actually sick, and then he was heading to the urgent care that morning. We knew he was going and called a few minutes later that he had this accident where he kind of hit the curb. I think he was going maybe a little too fast. However, you know, being impaired by being sick, that was really the cause. So guys, let this be a lesson to you. If you guys are ever not feeling well or impaired in any way, let someone else drive. It's really not that important. I'm gonna go ahead and follow this video up with some more details on what the total repair costs were at my local repair shop, as opposed to the quote that I got from the one in South Carolina. Like I said, the numbers he sent me were extremely high. I just did not think they were accurate, so I felt more comfortable bringing the car back here. If you guys like content like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.